Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing Coolpad Cool Bass Buds. Now these earbuds are priced at 1200 rupees. Price varies on sales and other online offers. They're available in two colors, blue and black, and we have the black color. Now let's get on with the unboxing. So here's the box. It says Cool Bass Buds, and there's also a preview of the buds here. And towards the bottom it says Coolpad True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. On the back, there are a few highlights like instant pairing, deep bearing, 13 minutes charging for 3 hours of playback, and it's compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android. Now, before we get started, these are the specifications of these earbuds. Now let's unbox it. First, we have some documentation over here. And here are the earbuds themselves. Next, we have the USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's put all these things aside and come back to the earbuds. Now this is how the case looks like. It says Cool on the top. On the front, there's a groove to open the lid, and on the back, there's a Type-C charging port. On one side, there's a loop, so you can hang it to a keychain or something else. This is actually the first headset case that I've seen with a loop. A pretty nice design idea. Now let's open up the case, and here are the earbuds on either corners of the case. And in the middle, there's an LED screen for the battery indication. You get the complete battery and the battery percentage of both the left and right earbuds individually. Now this is how the earbuds look. Let me remove the plastic on the earbuds charging pins. Now here's a closer look at the earbuds. Each earbud has a physical button with a cool branding on it. Right next to it there's an LED light. On the back there are charging pins and left and right marking. When you put them back into the case, they fall in place and auto align because of the magnetic mechanism and start charging. Now as for the pairing process, it's pretty simple, just like other earbuds. Just take the earbuds out of the case, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and search for it. First, both earbuds pair with each other and then enter the pairing mode. Then you can find it on your phone as Cool Bass Buds. Just tap it to connect it. Every time you connect your Bluetooth headset or whenever you disconnect it, you also get a voice prompt on the earbuds, which may be a bit annoying for few people. Now as for the functionality, both earbuds have just a single button. You can press it once to play or pause, and for calls, you can press it once to answer and click it again to end the call. You can also long press the right button to play the next song and long press the left button to play the previous song. You can also double press the right earbud to redial last number and double press the left earbud to activate voice assistant. Now I'll start off the review with the design and build. These earbuds have the dolphin design, which is something I've came across recently, and they have a completely different look and different feel in your ear. The whole body is made of soft plastic. There are no ear tips or foam. It's slightly slippery and you can't get a hold of them sometimes, but it's not a major issue. This case has magnets inside to auto align the earbuds and also has a bigger display to show the battery percentage and individual battery percentage of each earbud, which is a pretty good feature. As for the fit and feel, these earbuds fit pretty comfortably, but that depends from person to person. Personally, I don't have any issues with these earbuds. They fit pretty comfortably. They might seem a bit loose, but so far they never dropped out accidentally. So they are very well placed. Now as for the audio quality, it sounds pretty good. Sound quality is pretty crisp and clear, and the details are also pretty good, especially for the price. Bass is not that punchy. Even though they named it Bass Buds, there isn't a lot of bass, but you can feel it at higher volumes. Now as for the call quality, it's pretty decent, it's usable, but it is too loud. You have to set the volume at 40 to 50% to have a pleasant conversation. Otherwise it'll be too irritatingly loud. Finally, as for the battery life, the charging case has a 400 mAh battery and each earbud has a 40 mAh battery. On a single charge, you can use these earbuds continuously for about 4 hours for music playback or for calls. And when combined with the charging case, you can use them about 20 hours. Overall, battery life is also pretty decent. So guys, for a price of about 1200 rupees, these earphones are a pretty good deal. So guys, what do you think about these earphones? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy them, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.